Hey, what's up? Hey, welcome back to Mood Scale Adventure. Hey, this video, it's about a giveaway. All right, that's it. Short video. Just want to tell you about a giveaway that we're doing and what you got to do to enter and what you got to do to be eligible for that giveaway. All right, let's keep it short and sweet. The giveaway is going to be a set of 3-inch Lasfit pod lights. All right, not these, not mine, not mine. A new set, your own set. All right, so you might have seen my video whenever I installed these Lay's fits. So far, I've loved these things. The quality of these, top notch. I'm telling you, top notch quality. So I went with the amber. Whenever you get your set, you don't have to go amber. You can go white if you prefer white. White, amber, whichever you like. So the giveaway is it's a partnership with Lay's Fit. You know, I reached out to them about, hey, I'd like to do a giveaway for my subscribers on YouTube. What do you think? And they said, yeah, let's do that. So Lay's Fit is giving away a set of these 3-inch pod lights for us. All right. All right. So what do you have to do to be eligible? How do you enter? All right. There's 3 things you got to do. Number one, you got to be a subscriber on the Mood Scale Adventure YouTube channel. I mean, come on. It's a giveaway for my subscribers, right? Right. All right. So that's number one. Number two, you got to go on Instagram and follow Lay's Fit Off Road on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description below. So follow Lay's Fit Off Road on Instagram, be a subscriber to Mood Scale Adventure on YouTube, and you really ought to go follow us on Instagram too. I mean, Mood Scale Adventure on Instagram, go ahead and follow there. So the way I pick a winner is I need you to comment in the comment section below, right? I need a comment. I want to hear what's your favorite mod? What's your favorite modification? If you don't have any mods yet, what's the modification you most look forward to getting? What's the first one you want to get? All right. It's really important that you comment. If you don't comment, you're not in the drawing. I can't. Yeah. So comment below with that. That'll give you one entry. You can get a second entry by following along on Instagram when the post comes out about the giveaway, which that should be coming out this week. Comment in that as well. All right. Once again, the comment is what's your favorite mod or what's the mod you most want to get. All right, so you got a couple ways to enter. You got 2 things you got to do to be eligible, and we'll get this thing done. All right, I'm planning on doing the giveaway a week from Wednesday, and it's going to be at like 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. And with that, I'll blast that out. I'll do a video of the winner, and then I'll also blast it out on Instagram. All right. The way I'm going to generate the winner is just a random giveaway winner generator deal online. All right. And the way that does, and the way that works is it'll pull all the comments from this video, pull all the comments from the Instagram post, and then it'll randomize it, and voila, we'll get a winner from it. And then as far as getting your prize, I'm going to get you a link from Lay's Fit to go online and order these for free. All right. I forgot to mention, it's not just the pod lights. You also get a wiring harness with it. Wiring harness, pretty legit wiring harness. It's it's the waterproof plugs as opposed to the little uh, pin connectors. So very nice wiring harness. As well as it's got a single switch to it, so you don't have to do a whole lot. You don't have to get a 3-switch thing if you just want a one set of lights run into your cab. You got to switch. All right, and that's about it. Let's see, that's like $150 something value for this giveaway for the lights and the wiring harness combined. All right. So yeah, so that's something I'm super excited about. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a little bit of stock footage from whenever I installed these, so you can see a little bit more about these lights. All right. You can get these. You can get them as a high beam driving. You can get them as a fog slash flood or fog slash wide, a flood or a spotlight. And some of the specifications that it says on their little sheet of paper that comes in the box. You got input power at 18 watts. Your current draw is going to be 1.3 amps at 4.2 volts. And your operating temperature, you're looking at negative 40 degrees to 185 degrees. The weight, without the brackets, are 1.25 pounds, which they feel like they're solid. They got a pretty good heft. So, hey, I hope you're as excited about this giveaway as I am. I think it's awesome. I big thank you to Lay's Fit for partnering with me on this to give back to you guys. Hey, don't forget to do the comment below, all right? I want to get as many in this as possible, okay? All right. Thank you. Thank you for being a subscriber. See you in the next one.